and welcome back to my channel Embrace Wellness. My name is Sweetie Adu. Getting a facial done is a great way to get that natural glow on your face. Facial not only helps in cleaning your skin, but it also increases the blood circulation in your skin that makes your skin glow naturally. Now, if you're not the kind of person who would like to go for an hour-long facial treatments in the parlor, you can do a facial at home using the natural ingredients that is available in your home. Today, I'm going to share with you aloe vera facial, which you can do easily at home. Aloe vera is a blessing to our skin. Aloe vera has some amazing properties which make our skin look flawless. It has vitamins A, C, E and B12 and folic acid, which literally hydrates your skin from within. All these vitamins are rich in antioxidants which make your skin look great. So without further ado, let's get started with the video, and please continue to watch the entire video. And if you really like this video, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and give your valuable feedback. So let's get started. The first step of the facial is cleansing. For this, we would be needing aloe vera gel. You can take the extract directly from the plant, or you can use aloe vera gel which is available in the market. I'm using Wow aloe vera gel. Now take 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of raw milk and mix them well to make the cleanser. This cleanser deep cleanses your face and takes away all the toxins from your face, allowing it to feel soft, supple and breathable. This facial is excellent for those who have a very sensitive skin as well. Now, milk in this cleanser brightens your skin, while aloe vera has an excellent antibacterial properties which helps in removing pimples, sunburn, dead skin and moisturizes your skin as well. Cleanse your face for 2-3 minutes and then wipe your face with a napkin or clean with water. This cleanser helps to get you rid of tired skin. The next step is scrubbing or exfoliating your skin. For this, we would be needing 1 tablespoon of rice flour, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and half a lemon. Squeeze it well and mix to make the scrub. Rice is an excellent scrub. It has anti-aging properties and it smooths fine lines and wrinkles and firms and lifts your face. Rice flour can treat hyperpigmentation and blemishes on your face, while lemons are rich in vitamin C and citric acid and they can help brighten and lighten your skin when used over time. Aloe vera is packed with antioxidants and vitamin E to lighten discoloration around eyes, and the cooling effect helps with the puffiness. After scrubbing, clean your face with water or wipe your face with a napkin. Using this exfoliating scrub on your face will eliminate dead skin cells that make your skin look dull and reveal brighter skin. The next step is toning. The skin is freshened by skin toning. For this, we would be needing 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel and 1 tablespoon of rose water. This toner helps restore the natural pH level of the skin and leaves your skin clean, clear and ready to be hydrated. Rose water has mild astringent properties which helps tighten the pores and gently tone the skin. The next step of a facial is having a massage. To make this massage gel, we would be requiring 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of honey and half a teaspoon of glycerin. Mix them well to make your massage gel. Apply the massage gel onto your face and then massage in the right way, that is in circular motion, upward direction massage, eyes massage, forehead massage and pressure points. Honey is full of antioxidants, so it is great for slowing down aging. It also gives you a complexion boost as it is extremely moisturizing and soothing, so it helps create a glow. It contains antibacterial properties, so it helps to rid your skin of blackheads by removing dirt from pores. Aloe vera is known as the natural moisturizer. It has hydrating properties and absorbs into skin like magic. Massage your skin for 5-10 minutes and then don't wash your face. Apply the pack directly. Now let's move on to the face pack. To make this face pack, we would be needing 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of haldi. For beauty purposes, we use wild turmeric or Kasturi turmeric, which you can get online or in any beauty stores, and half a tablespoon of rose petal powder. Mix them well to make a smooth paste. Apply a thick layer of this face pack to your face and in your neck. Turmeric has antioxidants and anti-inflammatory components. As a result, it decreases pimples and brings a glow to your skin. It can prevent formation of wrinkles and melanin and helps in making your skin even. The healing properties in turmeric help reduce acne scarring as well. Rose petal powder is rich in vitamin C and other antioxidants which help to boost the collagen production and strengthens skin cells and tissues. Keep this face pack for 15 minutes. While it semi-dries, wet hands and massage in circular motion to remove the pack. Don't directly wash it. I personally prefer using rose water to wet my face and then massage it before washing my face. Aloe vera, when teamed with honey as used in this face pack, uses its anti-inflammatory components to calm your skin down and prevent breakouts and help cure patchy, dry skin, thus leaving your skin deeply nourished. Rinse off with water and marvel at instant glow your skin now has. The next step is moisturizing your skin. For this, we would be needing a pea-sized of aloe vera gel and 2 drops of tea tree oil. Loaded with antibacterial properties, the blend of these two makes for an amazing skin healer. Aloe vera has proved to be an excellent moisturizer for all skin types because of its light texture and 99% water content. So whether you have acne-prone skin or you have extremely dry skin which is in need of major quench, you will reap enormous benefits from this nourishing homemade aloe vera facial. So lovelies, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. For your convenience, I have listed the details of all the products in the description box below. See you soon with another such video. Till then, take care and embrace wellness.